Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says how many significant figures are present in the following. ठीक है, and these are the values and we have to find out the number of significant figure. So bachcho, what is significant figure? It is the number of digit present in a number including the last digit whose value is uncertain. That is called significant figure, and there are some rules to find out the significant figures, and in each case I will discuss with that. ठीक है, so in the first case it is 0.0025. So बच्चों, in this case the first non-zero digit is 2. So 0 before the first non-zero digit, if there is 0, ठीक है, only 0 before the first non-zero digit, then they have no significant values, so it is not included in the significant figure. So the only significant figure here, it is 2 and 5. So there are two significant figures are there. Okay, in the next case it is 208. So the first non-zero digit is 2 and the last one is 8. If the 0 is present between the first and last non-zero values, ठीक है, then it has significant value and therefore it will be included in the significant figure. So it is, how many numbers of significant figure are there? 1, 2, 3. It is 3. Okay. In third case, ठीक है, it is 5, 0, 0, 5. So this is the first non-zero value, this is the first non-zero digit, and 0 are present in between first and last non-zero digits, so it will be included in the significant figure. So therefore here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. ठीक है, in case of 4 it is 1, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0. बच्चों यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो डेसिमल यहाँ पे आएगा. ठीक है, if the zeros are present between the first significant figure or first non-zero digit and decimal, it is in between the decimal, then they have significant values and they will be included in the significant figure also. So here how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, in fifth case it is 500.0. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, यहाँ पे डेसिमल से पहले and in between the first non-zero digit and the decimal, 0 is a significant value and therefore here the number of significant figure is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and the last one it is 2.0034. तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया बच्चों, if there is 0 is present between the first digit and the last non-zero digit, then it is be included in the significant figure. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The significant figures here it is 5. So bachcho, in this way you can find out the significant figure in any value given. So I hope you understood well. Best of luck.